Here we have the new FSX family member of toy hauler, the 2021 Forest River FSX 270RTKX. This is a toy hauler travel trailer. It's a front bedroom with no slides. This one in particular is the Platinum package with smooth fiberglass exterior walls. Your dry weight is 5,400 pounds. GVWR is 9,400 pounds, which leads you to a cargo capacity of about 4,000. Hitch weight 850 pounds. Exterior length 32 feet 11 inches. Exterior width 8 feet. Fresh water 48 gallon. Black water 30 gallon. Gray water 30 gallon. This one has been highly anticipated. We've been waiting for this thing to come out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey there, this is Eric with RV Wholesalers, and today we're going to go over the 2021 Wildwood FSX 270RTKX. This is one of the newest FSX toy hauler groups of trailers that they've added on. I'm so glad to be able to show you this thing. It's really cool. Go ahead and walk through this with me here, and we're going to start at the front. And up here, what they actually did is they added in a double group 24 battery size tray, so you can actually run 2 batteries on this thing, where before it just had kind of one big tray. So they really want to consider the ability to run solar, extra battery power for that time that you're not in the campground or anything like that, so you have plenty of power for all your needs. Power tongue jack, of course, 2 20-pound propane cylinders. And moving back, you can see one of the biggest features about this one is that this one is the Platinum package. It signifies the X in the RTX. So Platinum package, you get smooth fiberglass sides, you know, kind of a higher gloss finish on it, very nice. Or you can get it in the standard version, which is going to have your corrugated siding, which also is going to be like a white color, and also very nice. So either way you want to do it, whether you want to stand out with the fiberglass or you want to get your you know, save a little bit of money, you can get the standard corrugated siding on it. Up here, what they added, and sometimes very unusual to find in a toy hauler, is that you actually have this mini outside kitchen. You got a small refrigerator here and a griddle that's on a set of sliders. You can bring that out, do some outside cooking, things like that. And if you know toy haulers, you've been looking at them for a long time, you know that outside kitchens of any size are very hard to come by. Very cool feature. I'm really happy that Wildwood decided to add that in. And moving back here a little bit, we have this massive 20-foot awning. Now, on a lot of previous models in the Wildwood FSX, you didn't get that big of an awning. And, well, you know, Wildwood, they listen, they do what their customers want. And here it is, you got plenty of real estate under the shade. Also, you get your the graphics that you've come familiar with, of course, with the Platinum Wildwood FSX package. You have your outside speakers, as well as your nice solid steps here. Moving back here on the Wildwood FSX, of course, as some of you have come to love with these, is that you can set it up as a patio. You have your cables and brackets set up, and you have this nice newer design of a rear gate that they put on this with the screen netting. There's even a door or a gate right here that you can even set up some stairs or something like that, to where, you know, if kids are getting really muddy, things like that, they don't have to track in through the main door over there. They can go ahead and come up through here, peel off in the back, so that way you're not getting all the dust, mud, everything tracked through the unit. Now, coming inside here of the 270 RTKX is that you get a really wide open layout. Now, you can fit small side-by-sides in this thing, or you can you know, fit in your full dresser, or you can get your quads in here. There's plenty of space. It's very wide open. You have your benches back here, and these will actually fold together to make a whole bed if you needed to, or you have 2 separate beds for the kids. Of course, you have your collapsible table here that you can move your dining inside or even outside on the patio. Skylight above, so you have plenty of natural light alongside with the panoramic windows that everybody's come to love with these, with the Wildwood brand. And even on those colder afternoons or colder evenings, you have this nice fireplace right here. It puts out a decent amount of heat, kind of knock that chill off a little bit. And well, of course, it's just simply cool to look at. And of course, with this being a patio back here, you want to keep the bugs out. You got this nice screen matting right here that's going to help you do that. You know, nice summer day, you want to have all that nice weather coming in and keeping all the bugs out, like out here in Ohio. And this is definitely going to let you do that. Moving along inside, you have power outlets on each side of the back end here, USB plug-ins, and you even have a nice bottle opener, nice and convenient for those nice summer days. Moving in here to the kitchen and galley area, you've got this really nice deep sink right here, right below your very adequately sized overhead cabinet space. Microwave, you got another cabinet over here, and they upgraded to the 3-burner Furrion stove in range. Very nice upgraded feature for that. Over here, you have your 12-volt refrigerator. And it's already cold. It hasn't been plugged in that long, and it's already cold in the freezer. And that's for a lot of the people out there that don't really feel comfortable going with the new 12-volt refrigerator setups. They are actually very efficient and have in a lot of ways shown themselves to be a lot better than a gas electric. Coming into the bathroom here, you see your nice, very tall walk-in shower. Now with this shower, you have a nice track system for the shower curtain. That way everything stays nice and stowed. Skylight above. And over here with your sink, you got a decent amount of counter space with side storage. And even underneath, there's a little area that maybe you can put a portable vacuum. Nice big mirror. You know, you have plenty of sit-down room next to your toilet. And overall, just kind of a very big bathroom for a toy hauler in this class. Coming into the bedroom here, we have our nice camper-sized queen bed. They actually did a revamp of the mattress that they put in here, and contrary to what most people have already come to know or already believe, is that camper beds are rather uncomfortable, but they actually did change this up, and it's a little bit more plush, so it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. And next to the bed, you have these nice big long shelving that goes along the sides of the bed. Typically beside a bed, you run out of space all the time for your CPAP, for your glass of water, for your phone, for whatever you need to put next to the bed when you're doing that. Overhead storage and bedside storage for hanging your clothes, or just other storage of things that you need available readily for you right here in the bedroom. And of course, like most, the bed actually does come up, and that's where you're going to find your very large underbed storage with spare tire, along with the totes that Wildwood just loves to put in there. Nobody else does that. I don't know why. Wildwood does it. Love them. And in the back corner over here of your bedroom, you have this huge closet. Up top, you have the nice rack for hanging your clothes. 3 very large shelves that are removable, and you can hang your stuff in there. And they even put the fuse panel in here where it's nice and closed away. Thank you guys so much for checking out the Wildwood FSX 270RTKX. I really enjoyed showing it to you guys, and for any further questions, just give me a call over here at RV Wholesalers, 877-877-4494. My extension's 145. Thanks. Have a great day.